This is the ultimate street machine revival, the Dude Ram 1500 concept from Mopar. Unveiled at SEMA 2025, this truck is a perfect blend of 70s sport truck nostalgia and modern muscle. Based on a Ram 1500 Bighorn, it screams attitude with its eye-popping sublime green paint and satin black C-stripes, a direct homage to the original Dodge Dude trim. It sits low on a lowered suspension with massive 22-inch satin black wheels, giving it a menacing, street-hugging stance, accented by a custom front splitter and side exit exhausts. Under the hood, the 5.7-litre HEMI V8 with a Mopar cold air intake delivers 395 horsepower and a rumble worthy of its name. Inside, the theme continues with Alea leather seats featuring bright green stitching and a special The Dude badge on the dash. This concept proves the sport truck is back and cooler than ever.